Hey, oh, what is up, guys? Long time no see in Beast Sim. Felt like a very long time, but I'm back in Beast Swamp. Oh, simulator. Yeah, let's go claim myself a hive. Bag. Don't want music this time. Why is this? Oh, there we go. I don't know. Well, looks like we've got to do the basics today. So you better get in here. Wait for our beautiful, beautiful beast to up to here. To kill this beautiful, beautiful guy. And I hope that the video quality today will be better, hopefully. For the audio at least. I've been focusing on the audio, how to make it better for you guys. So you guys don't die of listening to me speaking. Which I feel like not a lot of people actually want to listen to me, so yeah. We got Ant Pass. I got one of these, 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 and one of these. Beautiful. Wow, that thing really does give me a lot of money. Looks like we gotta down here, down here. Run around here, jump, 360 no scope. Okay. Let's see what I go get. Let's see if I. Oh, wow. 2 million! Not the worst I've seen. I think at least I got 2 million. Let's see. Oh, 1.5. Close enough. 1.5 close enough. What? It's close enough. 1.5. It's a good amount. So we've done that basic. So yeah, when you guys, get into a game, do this. I don't know. There's no new codes, well, not that I know of yet. So this guy first. Whee! Yeah, I was feeling maybe I should stream Apex for you guys, but when I tried to record, my FPS dropped to like 3 FPS. Like, is that good? No, I'm really good. Okay, yeah, basically my ping went up to like 1,000. So like, I'm good. I am not gonna be playing with 1,000 ping. It doesn't even let me join the game. That's literally how bad it is. So yeah, it just kicks me out. Quite scary. So, we can collect this for now. Collect this. Look at this speed. I can run around here, get all these pollen, get all this. Hello, I'm not cheating, I'm not hacking. It's just using a fun little thing called joining membership, collecting those things. And yeah, yes, just oh wow, these two stairs are perfectly in sync. Very nice, very nice. Get your mask, get some of these. Run to both sides. Yeah, the song's gonna do this for a while. And now that my really boost is gone, I only have a 10 times boost. Do this for another 10 seconds. I don't know why you guys can do this for as long as you want, but I'm not interested in killing Stump Snow right now, so yeah. That probably was I don't know, was that? I don't know. I wasn't timing. But yeah, I am very happy to be back, and let's have a look at some stuff that I will be doing. Uh-huh. I would be trying to get this. Yeah. Uh-huh. And that means I will be able to get another hive. And you know what I mean. I get another hive. That means I can use another egg. So another egg means that I have to use one of these two. Or I can use this one. That's probably what I'm going to use because I don't know why I'm going to ever need a rascal bee egg. So, oh yeah, and while I'm here, let's go have a look at the. Oh no 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 no! Come on! Anyone got a night bell? I'm gonna check this place out. Looks like I can't do that next day. Mhm. 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 Mm. Yeah, I don't really have much things to say because there's no cool things to do. Or oh no, I lost a little bit of pollen. That's okay. Oh, jumping jelly beans. I like. But yeah, I think a moon sprout. That would be nice. And after this, I'll go be playing some Apex myself. Yeah, yeah, I might just decide to play Apex myself. Wow. Yeah. Well, I guess while I'm doing this, I guess it's a good time to say, for those who actually watch my videos, thank you very much. And for those who have watched to the end, who obviously it means you guys enjoyed the video. I hope, because why else would you watch it to the end, right? So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe so that, you know, make sure, like I get some more views and then like more people can enjoy my content. But that's not my main priority. My main priority is to give you guys good content for you guys to enjoy, and yeah. So I will not make you guys steal your parents' phone, your siblings, your grandmas, your grandpa's phone and subscribe to me. I am not doing that. Yeah. Surprise, surprise. I've never done that. Yep. Who would do such a thing, you know? Who would do such a thing? Who would do such? Yeah. Wait. Huh. I'm pretty sure you're able to get it with a mythic, I think. Yeah. Well, it looks like I'm gonna need to get some more mythic eggs. Because I'm not trusting raw jellies. It's literally not on the list. It's not even on there. It's not even. It literally says random, rare, epic, or legendary. It doesn't even say mythic. I could try, but not gonna expect much luck. Yeah, I really found out that recording really slows down my ping. Like, let's say my normal ping was like 200. I start recording. It turns my ping to 400. It doubles. Like, with every game. Other than other games, you know, that doesn't really need ping. Still. Oh, I don't know what you guys call it. Yeah, ping. What else? Yeah, ping. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, ping. Yeah. But yeah, it's really not that great. I don't have a NASA PC. I really don't. My friend does. I don't. I want one, but hey, life is life. Too poor, you can't afford. Well, I guess as I finish that thing, let's say thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time. See ya, boys.